morning. This is Mr. New Haven. This is your Drive Safe Traffic Report, brought to you by the law offices of Attorney Irving J. Pinsky. This segment is produced for On Scene Media, New Haven County. I'm not doing a voiceover today, I'm driving live. I wanted you all to see what it's like to go through the West Rock Tunnel. I want to first of all say I'm driving 50 miles an hour. The car in front of me is really slow, so I'm driving slow and keeping a distance. I'm now at 55 miles an hour. The light at the end of the tunnel. There we go. There's the West Rock Tunnel. Exit 59 is coming up, the New Haven Woodbridge line. There's not a lot of room to get off on the parkway on some of these exits, and this is one of them. So drive slow if you're in the right lane. Someone might be exiting over here at 59, like the guy in front of me. And they're gonna have to cut out very sharp. So be careful. And then right after that, there's a line of people who are not completely stopping at the stop sign because they want to get onto the parkway. And here we are. So this is your Drive Safe Traffic Report, brought to you by the law offices of Attorney Pinsky. Give them a call, 203 Attorney. On Scene Media, New Haven County. That's where it's at.